Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We will start with Solana, down to Polkadot, Litecoin, Shiba Inu, Tron, Avalanche, and then we'll end it with Uniswap at number 19. Let's get straight into it. We're going to do Solana first. Sol against BTC. Yes, sir. We're already down. We're heading towards the 0.618 golden retracement area. We're going to see a bounce from here. Not too sure. We still have our 2,000 target. We're at 7,300 at the moment. When will we consider this as invalidated? Yeah, the moment we take out the highs over here at around 21,000. So there's still a long way to go because we're still under the skinny pink line. And as long as you're under the skinny pink line, yeah, we remain biased bearish for Solana against BTC. I still don't see the bullish move yet. So yeah, one thing good is that we're following in a very controlled manner, but yeah, there's nothing bullish yet about this, right? If we see a rally and then we consolidate or something, then yeah, sure, of course. But as it stands, yeah, we could still, we're just not entirely sure. So be careful about rushing into a trade too soon for Sol BTC. Sol USDT. Yep. Okay, the moment we take out $48, that's it. We consider $2 to be gone, right? But we have to take out $48. We are not too far away. We are 22, so it's another 100% for Solana against USDT. We're still under the skinny pink line. We still remain biased bearish for Solana. We respect the skinny pink line. We're biased bearish. Yes, we are aware that there are strong rallies for Solana, but there's just no follow through yet. Even the consolidation, I feel like it's not complete yet. There's a chance that we could still fall a little bit lower first. But yeah, at this moment, I don't think there's a trade for Solana. Not for me though. So yeah, it's so nice. And next coin, DOT against BTC. Yep, we're almost at 2,000. We're almost home. I'm coming home. We're at $2,100, 2,080. Yeah, it's not too far away. Very, very close to hitting targets. Very close. I think the lowest we went was 2083. Right, if you look over here, L 2083. Right, we're 2080. I still think there's more downside, and we're about to hit it. So there you go. Almost there, boys and girls. Almost there. DOT against USDT. Yeah, we're expecting a drop over here. We're expecting a C to appear, right? A B coming out for a C. We get a D, E. That's it. We blast off. That's the hope. That's the hope. But we still have a hard target over here. $3.33. So the possibility still remains that we could hit lower, right? I mean, if we were to dip for a C, we might expect things to start shifting, to start drifting back towards the upside and not take, where we would expect things to start drifting back towards the upside rather than taking out the lows over here, right? But I just don't, we can't tell yet at this point of time. This could already be the complete 1, 2. We could go for a 3, 4, 5, something like that. But in terms of tradability, I don't see it yet for DOT. So stay safe and don't rush into anything. Litecoin against BTC. Here we are for Litecoin. We are not exactly above. Nope, yeah, we're under the skinny pink line, so we're gonna remain biased bearish, and the halving is not too far away. It's in August, and I would expect Litecoin to continue dropping lower because every time Litecoin's halving comes around, you know what happened? Litecoin keeps dropping lower. Let me just show you, right? Litecoin halving events, right? If you look at Litecoin halving events, you know what happened? Yeah, we collapse. How much did we collapse? 76%. Litecoin was here. How much did we collapse? 70, yeah, it's almost 80%. So would you want to be yeah, no, this is like a signal to short Litecoin against BTC. So it's not too far away in August, and I suspect that I just don't feel too good about it, right? Unless of course I see a very nice chart pattern. But yeah, to me it's a no-go. Litecoin against USD, yeah, I still think that this is a right shoulder in the making, potentially, right? It's a rising channel, right? Like this. Rising channels usually break lower, right? However, this break back down, I feel like could be the completion of a head and shoulders. This whole thing could be a left shoulder, we could get a head, we could get a right shoulder. Litecoin collapses. Absolutely possible. Absolutely possible. So we are monitoring things very, very closely. We are aware of the dangers of Litecoin coming back down. And this rally has been very weak. very weak, right? You want to see this kind of a rally that shoots up, not the kind of rally that's quite, you know, the angle is quite horizontal, right? Compared to this vertical move that came for Litecoin way back in 2020. So we don't see it yet. We are aware that there's danger. And yeah, in terms of tradability, to me, Litecoin is a no-go. So stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do. SHIB against USDT. Here we are for Shiba Inu. Again, Shiba Inu, we were saying that this will complete a very nice, you know, okay, let's say, let's not call this a head and shoulders, right? Let's just call this a potential descending triangle, right? And we could still head lower. We're hoping to get something like a C here, right? A, B, C, D, E, right? A 5-wave squeeze. Break out towards the upside for Shiba Inu. But we're not sure. The downside danger still remains. We're hopeful though that we could see something that could reverse us towards the upside. But yeah, we're gonna have to see the chart pattern turn bullish first. But for Shiba Inu, it's not happening yet. So stay freaking safe. Tron against BTC is as bearish as it gets. We're already under the skinny pink line. We are expecting more downside. I don't know if this is going to hold, right? This is a very noisy area. Maybe we might hit here, bounce off of it, and we could still head lower, right? I'm expecting the possibility of Tron BTC doing something like this, right? This whole thing is an A. We went up for a B. I think we're in the midst of a C. We could still drop all the way back down, right, to this noisy area over here at around 100. We're at 223, so there's going to be another 50-60% drop for Tron against BTC. So if that does happen, it is going to tie in very well with this as we head lower for Tron, because this is a super high quality bearish chart pattern, super high quality descending triangle, and we are anticipating Tron to eventually collapse to under sub 2 cents. But there's also the possibility that we could head higher, right? We've been anticipating the collapse of Tron, but it is just being held up very, very well. You know, Justin Sun has been performing magic to push the price higher, but you can only perform magic for so long, because eventually it will still fall down, because this is a very bearish chart pattern. Why would you call this a bearish? Yeah, okay, so you see mountains, right? Mountains means that every time there is buying pressure, there is also selling pressure, right? And the selling pressure has been slapping the price back down, right? There's been rallies, but it gets slapped back down, rally, slap back down, rally, gets slapped back down, rally. I'm just waiting for that slap to come, and hopefully we could find a very nice entry for Tron. Right now there's some inherent dangers over here, right? We're very close to these clusters of stop buys, so there could be just a move pew before we come back down. So I would like to see this pew move first, right, before doing anything. But hey, we might not take out the highs, all these stop buys. We might just start falling from here. But if that does happen, then again we will readjust our entries, our strategies, and we will adapt to the price movement, right? But as it stands, I am still hopeful that we'll see something like this before Tron hits towards sub 2 cents, right? Yeah, I still don't have a good feeling about Tron. I still think Tron is going to collapse lower, so stay safe, right? Stay freaking safe. AVAX against BTC. Here is AVAX. We still have our target over here, 4,007. We're at 6,000, and yeah, still another 23% more to go. So more downside is to be expected for AVAX against BTC. We're just not done yet. We're still under the skinny pink line, so we respect the skinny pink line. Could we suddenly see a move back up? Yeah, sure, of course. But as it stands, we don't see it yet, and we expect 4700 to be hit. So stay freaking safe. AVAX against USDT. Yep, we still have our $9 and 760 target. But if you don't take it out, right, and if you fall down for a C, we get a D, E. Can you see this? Very nice possibility, right, of a ABCD kind of a squeeze happening before we break higher. This would be nice if you get it. This would be nice, but I just don't see it yet. So yeah, we're not entirely sure what's happening with AVAX. There's just dangers over here, and I still feel that 760 is a possibility. So yeah, I don't really have that good feeling about AVAX at this point of time. Eventually maybe, but not now. So stay safe, stay freaking safe, and don't be careful about rushing into a trade for AVAX, right? Uni against BTC. Here we are for Uni. We're almost at target 1950. We're at 2019, so we're going back in time to the 1950s. We're gonna meet Elvis Presley. soon, and he's waiting for us with his blue suede shoes. So yeah. Anyway, there's a mountain range. There's danger. You know, I don't know. I feel like Uniswap could be taking out all these clusters of stock sells, right, as it heads lower. So there is that danger. There is that danger, right? We could be collapsing really, really, really low. So yeah, be very, very careful. Be very careful. I don't really like what I'm seeing on Uniswap BTC, right? You can also consider this as a head and shoulders in the making, and this is a gigantic head and shoulders. And so Uniswap could be seeing a very big fall. So stay safe, boys and girls. Stay freaking safe. But Uniswap against USDT, same freaking thing like all the other coins. This could be an A, up for a B. So, you know, if we fall a bit lower, take out all these clusters, right, of stop sells and push the price higher, then we might get an ABCDE kind of a chart pattern, reverse back up. Great. But as it stands, you know, this could still turn into a bearish chart pattern, right? You can see mountains here, mountains. We hit lower, descending triangle, head towards $1.96, right? So again, two possibilities exist. It just depends on where we are going to break out from this symmetrical triangle, because symmetrical triangles are bidirectional. They can break up or they can break back down. So yeah, we were gonna have to wait and see how it goes, right? We're already knocking on the door of the skinny pink line. Knock. And we could be breaking back up. But so we need to see the buying pressure come in first, right? There's no buying pressure yet. So there is danger. There is danger for Uniswap. So stay safe and don't rush into anything. Don't rush into Uniswap because we just don't see it yet. Yeah, both possibilities still exist at this point of time. So there you freaking go. The top 20. Things just aren't really that clear. Tron is uber bearish and we're looking for shorts, but entries are very important. So we're being very, very careful. Alright guys and girls, I guess that's it for the top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.